More than 70% of Earth is covered by oceans. They were once the cradle of life. But at one point in history, the oceans became something else. They turned hostile. They turned acidic. And when the oceans changed, life on Earth nearly disappeared.
So we return to the darkness, carrying the
Ocean acidification happens when large amounts of carbon dioxide dissolve into seawater. Carbon dioxide doesn't just warm the planet. It changes the chemistry of the oceans. When carbon dioxide mixes with water, it forms carbonic acid. This acid lowers the ocean's pH.
When intense beams of sunlight hit these atmospheric particles, the white light scatters. The blue and
The change may seem small, but even a slight drop in pH can weaken shells, dissolve coral reefs, and destabilize entire marine ecosystems. Hundreds of millions of years ago, there were no factories, no cars, no cities, but Earth still released enormous amounts of carbon dioxide. For millions of years, massive volcanic eruptions pumped carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
As we descend, sunlight rapidly fades. Below 200 meters, we enter the midnight zone, where the only light comes from the creatures themselves.
The planet warmed. Rain became more acidic. And slowly, the oceans began to change.
energy flow is crucial for all life. When the input from the sun is reduced, the entire ecosystem begins to collapse.
Marine life was hit first. Creatures that relied on calcium carbonate, corals, shellfish, plankton, could no longer build or maintain their bodies. They began to die in massive numbers. And when the foundation of the food web collapsed, everything above it followed. Once vibrant seas turned silent. What happened beneath the waves did not stay beneath the waves. As oceans collapsed, oxygen levels dropped, climates destabilized, and life on land began to struggle. This was one of the greatest mass extinctions in Earth's history. No asteroid, no super predator, just chemistry, pushed too far. But life did not disappear entirely. From the aftermath of acidic oceans, new ecosystems slowly emerged. These recoveries reshaped the planet and paved the way for future giants. The age of dinosaurs was not the beginning of dominance, but the result of ancient catastrophes. Today, Earth's oceans are acidifying again. This time, not from volcanoes, but from us. History never repeats itself exactly, but it often rhymes. The question is not whether oceans can turn acidic. The question is, will we stop it in time?